Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura if you're new here. I'm going to bring you along today as I clean the upstairs of my house. I have to tackle my kids' bedrooms, my bedroom, the office, and I was planning on doing the bathroom, but that didn't happen today, and that's okay. As you can see here, I'm starting off in my daughter's bedroom. Normally she looks after this herself, and she's normally really good at looking after her own bedroom, keeping things tidy. However, because it is the summer holidays and she is a little bit older this year, she has been working with her granddad and also doing some babysitting for some family, just to earn some extra money during the summer holidays. So I thought I'd give her a hand and help her out and give her room a nice tidy. There are so many clothes on the floor. The majority of them are clean clothes. She told me that actually what she was doing was she had taken all of her clothes out to organise them all. Then she got distracted, as teenagers do, and she just left them all over the floor. So mommy to the rescue. You'll see here now in a minute that her top drawer was actually empty. Here I'm just organising the clothes into different piles. So I have sleeveless tops, short sleeve tops, shorts, skirts, and trousers and jumpers. Ava is in the attic in our house, which we renovated about 2 years ago. Initially it was going to be my husband's office and like a TV room. We haven't put any wardrobes in this room, and she could really do with some more storage for clothes, but for now we just have this Malum unit out of IKEA and it works really well. Everything really needed a good dust down, so I'm just using some furniture polish and a microfiber cloth. Her dressing table was quite messy, as you can see. Ava had gotten glue all over her dressing table, so she had asked me to help her get rid of it. So as you can see, I just gave it a quick spray down with some antibacterial spray and then a good scrub with a microfiber cloth, and it came up perfectly, just as new. Ava was not expecting for me to come in and tidy her bedroom, so when she came back from babysitting, she was really happy and was really appreciative that I had taken the time to give her room a clean. I'm just moving on here now to Ethan's bedroom. Actually, his bedroom wasn't that bad. It just needed a quick tidy up, the bed to be made, and a few, electronics and that to be put away. He's really good at keeping on top of his bedroom, and he works really hard, and he likes things put away where he likes them and where he can find them. So I just let him do his thing in here, really. He loves his comfort, he loves his blankets and his pillows. Moving on to the wardrobe here now, I just want to go through and take out anything that's gone too small for him or that he's no longer wearing. At this time of year, I'm thinking about the kids going back to school and what they might need for the new school year. So I'm just going to go through his uniforms, see what fits, see what needs to be replaced. I'll go then and write a list of the things that he will need for next September. I like to declutter clothes little and often, so that way I'm not doing huge, big, massive overhauls all in one go. Moving on here into the office slash beauty room. This room used to be my son's bedroom, but my husband, while he was working from home during the pandemic, used this room as his office. He's gone back to work now, so it's just a family home office, and I also have a table in here just as a dressing table. This table itself was actually my husband's desk for his work computer, but I've repurposed it for the time being anyway, and I'm using it as a beauty table. I will eventually, well, hopefully fairly soon, be redecorating this bedroom. I will get a new dressing table then. This shelf here belonged to my son. It's just been left over in this room, so I really need to take it down, give it a good clean and bring it back into his bedroom. Look at the dust and build up on that. Oh my god. This room has become a bit of a catch-all for everything at the moment. Everything just seems to get dumped in here. So I just want to give this shelf a quick organise and put things back into their proper place. And hopefully they'll stay that way this time.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy.
I love the colour of the wall in this bedroom. It was really nice when it was my son's bedroom, but it's not a great colour for an office or a beauty room, so I will be changing that very soon. It needs to be freshened up. The paint is chipped and there's some marks on the wall, so I'm thinking of going for a more neutral colour in here. I love Studio McGee and their aesthetic, so I'm going to try and recreate, you know, that kind of colour palette and, you know, the kind of neutrals and black accents and some nice rustic woven materials, and make this room a little bit more pleasing to be in, a little bit more comfortable to be in. I just want to give my bedroom a quick clean, quick tidy, make the bed. And this is a little cameo here from Ethan. As you can see, we haven't got any further with our bedroom makeover. However, I think I have found some bedside tables. They're actually small, like a small chest of drawers from IKEA. I just need to measure them up and make sure that I'm happy with the size of them. But I think the height and the width work really well in this room.
I believe it, yeah. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing strong.
There's not much space in this bedroom for anything other than the bed, so we decided to just focus on that, and we got the biggest bed that we could into the room. So I think just 2 lockers either side will be perfect in this room.
I can feel it.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are enjoying my content, I'd love for you to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you again in the next video.